if we have y equals to log x power x plus x power log x, and then we have to find the value of dy by dx. Coming to the next slide, here we get our equation, which is y equals to log x power x plus x power log x, and we take u as log x power x and v as x log x in the power. We've just taken these from our original equation. Now if we replace that in the equation, we'll get that our y is equal to u plus v. From here, if we start differentiating with respect to x, we'll get our first equation, which is dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now we already know that our u is log x power x. We're just taking log on both the sides. We'll get log u equals to x dot log of log x. Here we have taken the log because log is quite easy to differentiate and it cuts out easily. Now we are taking the differentiation of this equation. We get the differentiation of log is 1 by u. So 1 by u into du by dx, because we are differentiating with respect to x, and here we have to apply the multiplication property of derivation. We get 1 by log x plus log of log x. Now we've just rearranged this suitably, and we've also replaced our u here, because we already know if this u goes up here, that is this, we'll get that u is equals to log x power x. So we've just replaced it here. To this slide, we're doing just same what we did in the previous one, but here we have v. So v equals to x power log x. Now we've taken the log again because it's easier. We have log v equals to log x square. How we got this log x square is because according to the property of log, if we have x power a and we take a log of x power a, this a comes in the front and we get a of log x, a into log x. So it's same here, but our power is log x, so we get a log x into log x and we get this log x square. Now we're just differentiating with respect to x. The differentiation of log v, we get 1 by v, and then the dv by dx, and for this one the power comes in front, then we have a log x, and then for log x we get 1 by x. Then we just take this to the 1 by v to the other side, and we know that its value is x power log x. Now we know that according to us, dv by dx we have found. We already have found du by dx, and now we just put that in the value which we found, that dy by dx equals to du by dx plus dv by dx. We've just replaced the values 1, 2 and 3 in this equation and we got our answer.